Homebuyers Google a lot of things that they absolutely do not ask their real estate agent. And I know this because eventually it always comes up. Today, I am going to talk about 7 of these searches. I have been doing this a long time, and I have learned something important. Buyers are smart, thoughtful, and quietly Googling things that they're a little bit embarrassed to say out loud. So today, I am saying the quiet part out loud for everyone. I'm Jodi Bakst, working in Chapel Hill and Durham, North Carolina. So let's get right into it. Number 1, is this neighborhood safe? This is one that is almost always Googled, rarely asked, not because people don't care, but because it feels a little awkward. What buyers actually Google is usually something like, is this area sketchy? Or is this a bad neighborhood? Well, the tricky part is agents can't answer this question directly. So buyers Google a lot, and usually at night with 15 tabs open and a sense of moral conflict. But buyers aren't avoiding the question, they're avoiding the awkwardness. Number 2, why has this house been on the market so long? This one is fascinating because buyers always notice it. Some buyers ask and some don't. The ones that don't are Googling house on market too long, bad. Sometimes the answer is dramatic, sometimes it's boring, and sometimes it's just overpriced. Number 3, can I really afford this, or am I about to ruin my life? People don't Google that exactly, but emotionally, this is the question. What they're actually Googling is, how much house can I afford comfortably? Or is it normal to be terrified before buying a house? Yes, it is. If you're not a little nervous, you might be underthinking it. Number 4, what's wrong with this house that I'm not seeing? This is a big one. Buyers assume that there's a secret, so they Google hidden problems in homes, or what sellers don't disclose, or my personal favorite, how to tell if a house is cursed. That last one may or may not be location dependent. Most of the time, it's not a mystery. It's just houses are being houses. Number 5, is this actually a good investment? Nobody wants to sound like they're treating their house like a stock. So instead of asking, buyers Google, will this house appreciate? Or is buying now a mistake? Is the market about to crash? And the internet says, yes, no, maybe, definitely, never, possibly. Very helpful. Number 6, are my neighbors going to be a problem? This one is never asked directly. Buyers Google how to tell if neighbors are bad. Can you back out of a house because of neighbors? Or like this one, can you soundproof a fence? This is where walking the neighborhood really matters, and also listening. Number 7, is it okay if I don't love this house? This is the one that people don't even realize they're Googling. They're searching things like, should I feel excited buying a house? Is it normal to feel unsure after an offer? Buying a home isn't a rom-com. Sometimes it's just a good decision. Love can grow, and so can your confidence. If you're Googling these things quietly, you're not doing it wrong. You're doing what thoughtful buyers do, trying to understand a really big decision. And the right agent isn't going to be offended by the questions that you don't ask. They're there to help you answer these questions. If you're buying or selling and feeling a little overwhelmed, it's normal, and you don't have to Google it alone. I am Jodi Bakst with Real Estate Experts in Chapel Hill and Durham, North Carolina. If this video made you feel seen, hit subscribe. And if you're Googling something right now, I promise you are not the only one.